Students, now we will see the circuit of half subtractor. This is the circuit of half subtractor. Why we are performing half adder first and then half subtractor? The reason is these two gates were used in half adder also. The only difference between half adder and half subtractor is the presence of this NOT gate. Only one NOT gate is added to half adder and it becomes half subtractor. Now the NOT gate is getting the input from 7486, the first input which was going to 7486. The same input has been taken. As you know, the 04 is a single input gate, means one input, one output. So this is pin number 1, this is pin number 2 of the first gate. So you can see the truth table of half subtractor, that at the two inputs 0, 0, you will get difference and borrow. This time you are not getting sum and carry. In the case of subtraction, you will get difference and borrow. So 0, 0 will result to 0, 0, 0, 1 will result to 1, 1, 1 will be borrow, then you will get 1 as a difference. 1, 0, the difference will be 1 and borrow will be 0. At 1, 1, you will get difference also 0 and there was no borrow. And in the case of half adder, that there was sum and carry was there. So 0, 0, the sum was 0 and there was no carry. 0, 1, the sum was 1 and there was no need to carry. 1, 0, the sum was 1 and no 0. In case of 1, 1, the sum is 0 and 1 goes to 1 is carry forwarded. So this was the truth table of half adder, whereas this is the truth table of half subtractor. Here difference and borrow comes. The remaining theory part, you will get all the explanations, all the details regarding subtractor and adder from Rajneesh sir. In the theory class you will get. Now let's perform this experiment. We have already constructed the circuit. We have already verified the gates of 7486, 04 and 7408. From the pin number 3, you will get difference, and pin number 3 of 7486, you will get the difference. And pin number 3 of 7408, you will get the borrow. Here we have placed 7486, this is 7408, and lastly we have placed 7404. So you can see the circuit diagram. These are the two inputs at pin number 1 and 2 of 7486. Pin number 1 is getting, pin number 1, the same input is going at 04, pin number 1. Output of 7404, this one, it's going to pin number 1 of 08. Pin number 2 of 86 is going to pin number 2 of 08. And the output of 08 is as your borrow. And the pin number 3 of 7486, this is the difference going to this side. So this will be your difference and this will be your borrow. And the knob we need to place at TTL. Now we will put the supply on. Students, now you can see 0, 0, difference 0, borrow 0. 0, 1, difference 1, borrow also 1. 1, 0, difference 1, borrow 0. And when both the inputs are high, when both the inputs are 1 1, you are getting difference 0 and borrow also 0. You can cross check this with your truth table that is you are having in the manual.